Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to limit number of remote desktop connections. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Remote Desktop Services. Click and expand Remote Desktop Session Host. Click and expand Connections. Open Limit Number of Connections. Check Enabled. Change Maximum Connections Allowed. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.